Hi friends, in this video I'm going to talk about insert SQL query. What is the purpose of insert SQL query? Before that, I want to set the context. I am using Derby database in my Eclipse plugin. In the Eclipse plugin, I have installed Derby plugin. For demo purpose, I'll be executing the query on the Derby database. I've already created the database and the tables. So already two tables are created, okay, for demo purpose. So let me explain this insert query. What is insert SQL query? So if you have a table and you want to insert some data into the table, you can use insert SQL query. So the syntax goes like this: insert into the table name, insert into table name and values. Values should contain all the values that you want to insert to the column. It should be in proper order. Okay, for example, ID, employee ID, last name, first name, then what is the designation, address, city and salary. So it should be in proper order. If you don't give the proper order, or if you are giving some extra parameters, it will give an error. So I am trying to insert into employee table all these values. Okay, so let me execute this. Already I've created employee table. You can see here these are the 7 columns displayed here. There are no data at all. I'm going to insert the first row using this. So you can select this query, right click, execute selected text or all text. Looks like one row affected. Looks like it is inserted properly. Let me ensure that it is inserted. Let us execute a select query. Yes, one row has been inserted. This is the purpose of insert query. I'm going to execute one more insert query. Right click, execute selected text or all text. So let me run this select query so that we can see 2 rows. So this is the purpose of insert SQL query. So I have inserted 2 rows using the insert SQL query. So if you give any illegal parameter or something, it will show an error. Okay, so select the same thing but with a different primary key. Okay, it will show an error. The number of values assigned is not the same as the number of specified. That means you are adding an extra column. There are only 7 columns, you are trying to insert 8 columns, so it will give an error. Okay, so this is the purpose of insert query. Hope this video is useful. Thank you and all the best.